Alright, you're welcome back again. Now, I want to, last time, if you are following carefully, last time we were able to generate our principal component analysis. If you the score, you generate the score, PCA score, if you are see it from PC1 to PC, total number of PC we have here is PC 44. You can see as it tends toward the end, we are tending towards zeros. So we don't actually need all the pieces actually. We only need few of the pieces, so we can let go of many of them. So right later, so when we want to do some analysis. So for now, you can see that these are the number of pieces we have, and these are the we have to categorize them in different race and gender, if in case you need gender later. So, but for now, we only need the race for now to work with. All right, so now that we have done this, we can actually generate a scatter plot of individual category using different color. Last time we did there was no color involved, so we just generated the scatter plot in black color. So now we can now separate them to see how they are distributed in the morpho space. All right, so let me there are two ways to do this actually, but at least now that we have generated our PCs, we can use our PC to do that. Okay, so just copy everything here, Control A. I copy everything here back to our past. So like this. So I paste here. Here, so paste. So I select this as a race. So I want to remove this. I don't need it for now. Remove. All right, so so this is what we need now. So we want to now what we are interested in now is just the scatter plot. Okay, we have done the PC already. We don't need PC anymore. So we just want to generate the scatter plot to print out the scatter plot of this PC1 against PC2 or anyhow. So now what we do is that we just first select this race here, which is our grouping variable here. So we go to edit row colors. So that row color. So let's say we say black, African black. Let's make it black. Let's make Asia blue color. Okay, let's say Asia blue. Okay, blue. Let's say Europe. Let's make it can we choose this light green? Let me see other color I can use that is more. Let's use this, okay, for Europe. So this dark orange. Now, if you want to use symbol, you can use symbol here, okay. Symbols here. You can just click on here. So many symbol here. So I don't want to use symbol. So if you want symbol, just I'm okay with dots for now. So I just need to close. I don't need to do anything. Just close. That's all. Close here. It's already set there. Okay. If you scroll down, you see that the color will be assigned. Can you see the color assigned? See the bot color assigned automatically. All right. So that is that. Then now you can now select all. So you can select all here. Okay, go to multivariate ordination. Click on PCA. All right, PCA. So what you are interested in is just scatter plot. Don't forget, we don't need the PCA anymore. We already done that. So click on scatter plot here. You can see scatter plot here in color, different colors. Now in this case, you can change the PC. Okay, PC1 to PC3 as it moves. This PC2 to PC3. Can you see it's changing? Okay, let's just see PC1 first. To PC2. Okay, let's try to increase the size, okay, of this color. 1 2, I think 5 is okay. Okay, let's make it 5. Let me increase make it bigger. Let me make it 4. I think 5 is too big. Let me make it 4. All right. Okay, so you can see that we have more of a blue here, which is Asia together here. We have more of black down here, okay, but we have more of a orange in the middle, and some of them are scattered here, and some of them are scattered here. So we don't have enough data to actually do this experiment. So don't mind the how it look like. But if you do it properly with enough data, you can see how it is separated. Okay, that is when if you do it properly with enough data. All right, so the data is not enough, so you can see the effect of the separation here in the morpho space. Okay, this component 1, component 2. All right, so you can also look at this 3D plot also here. All right, can say 3D plus, it's giving you 3D here. You can increase the size of the bubble here. I can just increase the size a little bit more. It's too big. Okay. Okay. All right. Better. So now I can change it now. Rotate it to see more clearly. Can you see? I'm rotating this azimuth now to see more clearly. All right. See more clearly. Yeah. Can you see? Can you see? So I'm trying to see more clearly. Can you see the blue around this side, the black this side, and the orange in the middle, but scatter some part here, some part here, right? Or you can also, if you don't want, you can zoom, okay, you can zoom it out better, make it bigger, all right? And also you can also come here. If you want a bar, you can use bar. Can you see bar? Bar show that it's blue are here, black are here, but you can see some orange in the middle, do some orange scatter here, while some scatter a little bit around at the back here. So you can see that some separations here using the scatter plot, all right, of the principal component. So it is good to view if you have a lot of data now, you can see the effect more appropriately and clearly. So for now, that is what we are doing. So in the next one, I will now show you how to do a scatter plot properly using the your own image. Now we use colors to do it, but we are going to use your own image later, and you see the effect. Thanks so much for listening. I will see you in the next class. Besides, don't forget before we go, don't forget that you can solely export. I don't need to tell you that anyway. You can just export it out here. Okay, SVG, PDF, JPEG, TF, just anyone. You click on the save here to save it, to export it out for you to your folder. All right. So thank you for that. See you later in the next class.